The most common reason behind turbo failures is oil starvation. Now, if you know that turbochargers spin really fast, and some turbos can spin up to 3.5 lakh RPM. Now, at this speed, the oil plays a very crucial role of lubrication, preventing the main shaft of the turbocharger from coming into contact with the inner surface of the bearing of compressors and turbines, while also removing heat caused due to friction. Now at this point, even if the oil is restricted momentarily, just for a few seconds, the frictional heat buildup between the shaft and the bearing will be enough to cause a complete turbo failure or a shaft seizure. Now what can be done to prevent this? Number 1. Changing engine oils on time. Oil is the lifeblood of machines, and if you mess with it, the results will be nasty. Oils lose viscosity with time. Old oils also get contaminated and might as well form sludge, both of which can block the oil feed lines to the turbo. Number 2. Getting the oil feed lines and the oil pump checked. Cracks and damages in the oil feed lines can cause pressure leaks, which will prevent sufficient amount of oil from reaching the turbocharger. If it's an old car, the oil pump can also become weak, which will cause the same issue. I hope you learned something new from this. Share this with your friends who own a turbocharged car, and I'll see you in the next one.